Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. In this video I'll show you how can you add an email account in Microsoft Outlook on your iPhone. So let's get started. First open App Store from your iPhone. Then from here just search Microsoft Outlook on search bar. Then you can see Microsoft Outlook app. I have already installed this app on my iPhone. If you don't have installed it, install the app and open this. So after open this app, you can see like this page. Just click add account. In this step, you have to input your email address. I am inputting my email address. Then click add account. Normally it will ask your email provider. You have to select your email provider like Microsoft 365, Google or Outlook like this. After that you have to input your email ID password. After inputted your email ID password, click sign in. So you have to verify your two-step verification. So I verified it. Email ID is added properly. If you want to add more email ID, then click add. I will not add an email ID, so I have to click maybe later. So my email ID is added. I can manage my email ID from Microsoft Outlook app on my iPhone. I can send email and receive email properly. So I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you.